When rain finally falls in Australia, everything changes. For months, the land can be dry, dusty, and cracked under the hot sun. Then suddenly dark clouds roll in, thunder rumbles, and rain begins to pour. Dry riverbeds wake up and turn into rushing streams. The red earth drinks deeply, and within days, green grass shoots up where there was nothing before. Kangaroos hop out to feed, birds sing louder, and frogs appear as if from nowhere. Farmers smile with relief as dams fill and crops begin to grow. But sometimes the rain comes too fast, causing floods that remind everyone of nature's power. In Australia, rain is more than water. It's life, change, and hope. Please like, comment, and subscribe.